caffeine. And it makes shooting videos difficult when you're like, what if my whole personality is caffeine though? So hello, and welcome back to me, your basic fall hoe. I was going to put on like a mustard sweater top, like Mary J. Blige or every like Christian white woman during this time. Not the same, but there is like a Venn diagram. I'm there. So as you can hopefully tell, hello miss, by the title, I have bought a lot of fall things. Now typically there's about like every year of my life I want to really go in and buy a lot of fall stuff, but it's like the funds. But this year, since I have not left my house, I figured this of all the years was the perfect time to just embrace it. Just do the thing, rip the band-aid, and decorate my dang house, because I'm here all the time. And so I'm gonna share all these things with you today. So the first thing that I got is the most like classic, oh, it's a new season, and that is new pillow covers. So these are from West Elm, which
Give me your fucking money!
But the thing is that I already have these. This is what's currently on my couch, and I've had these for a number of years, and I like them. And you can just remove them, you can pop them in the wash. It's all very convenient, but they're like they're the right texture. They are these velvet ones. But before I had this blue and pink one on here, which I have just swapped out, as you can see. I'm going to do it with this orange one. I also got just kind of like a gold yellowy one because I'm apparently just here for like classic fall. Speaking of pillows, on the affordable side of things, but you would never know, is this Bunny Soft pillow from Target. So this is just like, this one's already made, already prepped, ready to go. But this is so soft. I will link everything I can down below for you. Even if you're not trying to decorate for fall, if you're just sad, this is a wonderful thing to just touch. I literally sit here on the couch just going like this. I was literally like, so how's that pillow? And I'm like, I don't need you, except that I do. Go walk the dog. And finally, I guess for like my couch decor, ooh, what an adult with my couch decor. I got, also is a wonderful feel, just lovely. Like, I don't know what it is. Like scents, you know, scents like bother me to a degree, but it's not like overwhelming. But textures, I feel more than I think most people do. Like, no. Certain textures, just thinking about them disgusts me. But certain textures just make me so happy, and this is one of them. So this is a blanket that I actually just got from Amazon. I don't know the company, but I will again link it below. But I got it because it has these cute little pom-poms all around the edges of it. It's not super huge. It is definitely like throw blanket size, but I mean, I'm almost 6 feet tall. It covers my body. And I know some of you are short, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, it's just, Ira uses this all the time too. He gave me like grief over all of this. He just is a suck. He goes for this blanket literally more than ones he has personally made. We have blankets that he designed, he had someone make. He goes for this bad boy, so I don't want to hear it. Okay, this Ira really made fun of me for. He called me an old lady. And here's the thing with that man, is literally his description, anything fall that you show him, he's like, that's old lady decor. And you know what? I don't care. But my point is that these, I do kind of understand because I've only seen old ladies have these. Again, I don't give a shit. So these, my friends, are Flameless Candles. And like, I know this is nothing wild, but I'm just saying, I need you to look at this. Don't mind the junk that's on this table. I'm gonna make it look cute for the after shot. I'm gonna show you this in a much cuter footage, but just look, bam, 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 bam. If you had children, oh, I would trick those little punks into thinking I was a witch all the time. I would just have this hidden in my little sleeve and be like, so kids, I'm a witch. So anyway, a lot of my friends have since made fun of me for these candles, but I have convinced everyone, even the biggest disbeliever, of everyone in my life, Ira is the Judas. You know he would be, and he believes in my flameless candles. Because here's a quick list. A, they're not gonna burn your house down. You can put them in places you can't put regular candles. If you saw my Ira's birthday vlog I recently did, I put these in like a blanket fort. You couldn't do that with a regular candle. That is asking to die. I can put these in the background of my videos. Am I doing it right now? No, but I could. And further back, you wouldn't even know that they were fake. And what's fancy, I got these also from Amazon. What's fancy about these rando candles that I got is that they do come with this little remote and you can set like timers. Yes. So you can set it on like a 2-hour timer, a 4-hour, 6-hour, or 8-hour. So it's like if you have people over, or if you just like, sometimes what I'll do is I'll just put it on that 2-hour, like when I'm about to go to bed, like I'm sitting down, I'm enjoying, like I kind of do the mental math of like, it's 6 o'clock, so I'll probably be asleep by 8. Yeah, okay, 2 hours. Speaking of actual fires, so I did, these are just from like Target, I think from the like Magnolia, whatever that lady is. The farmhouse lady, like she's the peak, she's peak farmhouse woman. Congrats to her. I like a lot of her stuff. But I got these because I don't know, I just liked the colors of them and they went with these little candle holders. And that's what I'm saying. These are Hearth and Home. Hearth and Hand? Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. There's a lot of words, okay? And I just think that they're very cute. It's like just a little bit of like, I'm your grandmother, but in a very homey, updated way. That's my brand. So the final candle thing that I got, this actually, I got a while ago. And I'm kind of just like, I thought about going to Bath and Body Works and like getting some of those leaves candles. Like, ooh, I already have candles. That's kind of the problem, is I have quite a few candles right now that I just haven't used up, and I felt like it was just irresponsible to buy new ones. So this is Citrus Grove. Yeah, it's kind of summery. But this is also from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, and the reason I'm bringing this up is I really like it. It smells delicious. I think this would make for an excellent bowl. I may have actually talked about this in a previous video, but whatever. Look at me with my 5 wick. I'm just saying, this is lovely, but what I think would be wonderful after the fact is I'm gonna cut this out, like once you're done burning everything, I'm gonna cut this out and use it as a bowl. And I feel like this would make for an excellent fall candy dish, and I'm just saying it's the same color as these little candle holders, so it like all comes together because I'm like, oh. And now lastly, for just kind of like general decor, so I got this tablecloth, you can kind of see it, a little bit of it over here, from Amazon. And again, it was very affordable. I liked the color. It's taupe. I know some of you only wear black. I'm here for a monotone, but it has all these little tasseled edges. And again, it's also square. So this table itself actually is just like a really crappy old card table that my sister lent us that I have not given back. But you would never really know because I've put this much fancier tablecloth on top of it. I got these little pumpkins. So these are like kind of like pastel-y. You can see just little fake pumpkins. I got these from an Etsy shop actually. And I'm just saying, if you hate, like I know people that do this and I respect it. If you hate fall colors, just going for like a subtle, like a pastel theme, I think would be really cute. I'm just saying. Speaking of pumpkins, I also got this little, look at this little sad one. You're so cute. This is more of like a squash, I suppose. But I got this from Target. I hate felt. I don't like touching this, so you've seen it. I'm putting it down now. But that I actually got from the Target dollar section. Ira picked it up and was like, oh look, it's like a toy for Thor. Little did he know, I would be bringing that home for Lauren. I got for fall specifically a bunch of these little acorns that I think are just so cute. Why won't you focus? These come in a bunch of different colors, and again, I also got these from Etsy. I'm not saying that you should not purchase these from Etsy because I'm someone that would rather just buy this, but if you're into like crafts, I think these are just like actual acorn tops with little felt balls attached to them. So I'm just saying, if you're looking for a craft, this would be adorable. And last but not least, oh, I got this little garland. I don't know, I liked these colors. These are like, to me, like, yeah, they're like classic fall colors, but also with some neons in them, and that's how I like to live my life, clearly. Ooh, Ira even said with this also that he liked it. So I have this currently hanging up on a bookshelf over there, and I think that it looks cute on the bookshelf. I do think that it makes it kind of like blend in a little more, so it's not as apparent as if you had this like on the wall. I've also considered hanging it on the windows behind you. For right now, I think these look cute just on the bookshelf, and this was also a purchase from Etsy. So support your local little crafty folk. One day my entire house is just gonna be an entire autumn set. I feel good about that. So yeah, go do something fall related. Whether that is drinking an apple cider, breathing in some fresh air, yelling at your boyfriend in autumn tones. And also go do something good for your body, especially if it's dying and making you stop drinking coffee. And have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching.